before install. Necessary tools. From the left side of the bike, loosen the bolt as shown by using the 8mm wrench. From the right side of the bike, remove the nut by using the 13mm socket. Remove the bolts as shown by using the 8mm hex key and 13mm socket. From the left side of the bike, install the bracket as shown by using the M10 bolt. Use the spacer if you don't have T-Rex skid plate installed. Install the tube bracket as shown by using the M8 bolts. Hand tighten the bolts at this point only. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds by using the 5mm hex key. Retighten the bolt as shown by using the 8mm wrench. From the right side of the bike, reinstall the nut as shown by using the 13mm socket. Install the bracket as shown by carefully using your hands. Install the tube bracket as shown by using the M8 bolts. Hand tighten the bolts at this point only. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds by using the 5mm hex key. From the left side of the bike, tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds by using the 8mm hex key. After install,